building on Nissan's 80 years of experience in the pickup sector, adding some of the most advanced design and engineering features in the industry. Built in Europe, the all-new Nissan NP300 Navara sets new standards in every key area for the demanding European market. The official winner of the acclaimed International Pickup Award 2016, celebrating a fusion of 4x4 toughness, new levels of comfort, technology and value for money. In both its king cab and double cab versions, new design lines across the bonnet deliver a muscular stance. Signature LED daytime running headlights set in Nissan's V-Motion grille, chrome accents, 18-inch alloys, side steps, door mirrors with LED indicators, roof rails, sunroof, privacy glass and qualitative design lines of the waistline to the tailgate spoiler add up to give a distinctive, bold and premium finish. Under the skin, tried and tested over 1 million miles, the MP300 Navara debuts the reliable LCV 2.3-litre DCI diesel engine, available in single-turbo 160 brake horsepower and twin-turbo 190 brake horsepower outputs. It's available with 2- or 4-wheel drive and a choice of 6-speed manual or 7-speed auto gearboxes. Generating more horsepower and torque at lower RPM with fuel savings up by 24%, the new improved 190 brake horsepower twin-turbo diesel engine delivers acceleration and efficiency amongst the best in class. A lighter tailgate makes loading and unloading simple. The load bed is a class leader, with a length of 1,578mm for the double cab and 1,788mm in the king cab. The new Nissan NP300 Navara is engineered to handle tough jobs and heavy payloads of over 1 tonne. Available on all grades, Nissan's revolutionary C-channel tie-down system is ideal for securing all kinds of cargo. Running the length and width of the pickup bed, the system consists of 4 heavy-duty cleats that can be moved to wherever a tie-down point is needed. This flexible system allows awkward loads to be secured quickly and safely. The rear camera also comes in very handy for manoeuvring into the perfect position when it comes to hitching up. Setting another pickup segment best in class, the MP300 Navara is the perfect tool for towing, with a very impressive 3.5 tonne capacity and reaching maximum torque output at 1500 RPM, making towing a breeze. The MP300 Navara has 3 driving modes which are controlled via the rotary switch. 2-wheel drive high powers the rear wheels only for use in normal conditions, and with a simple turn of the dial to 4-wheel drive high, giving you 50-50 front-rear spread for light off-roading. 4-wheel drive low is for serious off-road driving. LSD, also known as electronic limited slip differential, improves grip in all low traction driving conditions. The vehicle senses any tyre slip and automatically brakes that wheel, allowing more traction to the gripping wheels. The system works on all 4 wheels, keeping you moving in the toughest of conditions. With an approach angle of 30.4 degrees, ground clearance of 232mm, departure angle of 25.6 degrees, and a wading depth of 600mm, it can handle most terrains. Another clever driver aid on the MP300 Navara is Nissan's Hill Start Assist. Parked on a steep hill, the system keeps the brake applied for up to 2 seconds, giving you time to control the vehicle for a smooth takeoff and eliminating any rollback. Hill descent control automatically controls the engine and brakes to maintain a constant safe speed on steep descents. Thanks to the fully boxed ladder chassis made with high tensile strength steel for improved structural rigidity, the MP300 Navara is exceptionally capable in all situations.
Stronger, tougher, with more power and greater efficiency. Backed up by Nissan's 80-year legacy of pickup truck experience.
The new MP300 Navara sets new quality and technological benchmarks in the pickup segment. So much so, Nissan has extended its warranty to 5 years or 160,000 kilometres.
So, whatever the weather, whether it's work or play, the all-new Nissan MP300 Navara is truly the ultimate go-anywhere pickup.